navigating risks, understanding, skating on thin ice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting expression, skating on thin ice. This phrase is packed with imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, skating on thin ice, is used to describe a situation where someone is engaging in an activity that is considered risky or dangerous, and there is a possibility of negative consequences. The imagery comes from the literal danger of skating on ice that is too thin to support one's weight, which could result in falling through the ice into cold water below, a situation everyone would want to avoid. In a metaphorical sense, it suggests being in a precarious or risky position where making a wrong move could lead to trouble. While the exact origin of skating on thin ice is not clearly documented, it's easy to understand how this metaphor came to be. Ice skating is a popular winter activity in many countries, and the danger of thin ice is well known. This phrase likely evolved from the literal advice against skating on thin ice for safety reasons, transitioning into a metaphorical warning against risky behaviors or decisions. Using skating on thin ice in conversation can add a vivid image to your words, cautioning someone about their actions or reflecting on the precariousness of a situation. Here are a few examples. Arguing with the boss about the new project is like skating on thin ice. You might want to be more cautious. He's been skating on thin ice with his lateness recently. Another incident might cost him his job. Taking such a controversial stance in the article is skating on thin ice. It could provoke a lot of backlash. Understanding and using phrases like skating on thin ice shows the power of visual metaphors in language. They can convey complex ideas and warnings in a vivid and memorable way, enriching our communication and helping us express ourselves more clearly and effectively. We hope this exploration of skating on thin ice has been enlightening and will add a new layer to your understanding of English idioms and expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the images and emotions those words can evoke. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you in the future. Stay curious, and happy learning!